So Isa Al-Masih, he lived a perfect life. He never sinned and he is one with Allah. He's like us but he is also not like us. He lived a perfect life that perfectly pleased the true Allah, and then he died on the cross, really died, really dead. But that was the will of Allah because he was dying for us. We are supposed to die. Jesus was not supposed to die. But then he died. He was the one who died. Because that is God's will for him. And also for us to be saved from the wrath of God. So that's the wrath of God. Death. And a lot of people died in October 7th. A lot of people died in the aftermath of October 7th attack. And we need to change. There is a better way. Isa Al-Masih is the emperor of everything, all humanity and the whole universe, the whole cosmos. He is the emperor. Nobody is higher than him because he is one with Allah. But he is also one with us. He is also human. So that's a mystery, a big mystery. But he is the way for us to know the true Allah who is both holy and loving. So we need to become holy and loving. And it is impossible without Isa Al-Masih. We have to become disciples of Isa Al-Masih. And when you become a disciple of Isa Al-Masih, when you become a believer and a follower of Isa Al-Masih, the Holy Spirit will live in you. And you will begin to live in the power, the grace and the power of the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit is one with Allah. So they are one God, the true Allah and Isa Al-Masih and the Spirit of the true Allah. They are one God in three persons. So if you become a believer and a follower of Isa Al-Masih, the Holy Spirit will indwell you, will live in you and fill you, and you will live a life of grace and power. That's gonna be exciting.